Hey, so have you just ever been like sitting on your couch thinking like, how do I even start healthy habits? Where do I begin? No worries, I got you. Just keep watching. Hello beauties, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. In today's video, I will be talking about 9 ways to create more self-love, okay? Targeting your mind, your body, and your soul. Man, I am super pumped up about today's video. So, I wanna let you know this. Never, ever, ever think that it's too late or that you are too young or too old. It does not matter to incorporate healthy habits. I want you to get started today, okay? And also, never underestimate the power, the ability of creating these healthy habits, targeting your mind, body, and soul. The next 3 healthy habits that we will be discussing is going to be targeting your mind. Create a vision board. Visualization is so important. So, having a vision board can improve your motivation, coordination, and concentration while reducing fear and anxiety. This past April, I created a debt-free board while in quarantine. My husband and I have a goal to be debt-free this year. And y'all, it has been a game changer. So create that debt-free board or vision board to help you stay on track. Up next is creating a schedule and eliminating decisions. By creating a schedule and sticking with it, it helps you to create healthy habits for your mind and will not leave you distorted in your energy. I want you to participate in this exercise. For the next 24 hours, write down all the things you think about. Then pinpoint what areas in your brain is forcing you to make a lot of decisions. It's important to eliminate decisions by pre-planning. For example, I noticed that when I was not on a schedule, most of my thoughts were in the area of health. Should I eat? What should I eat? Should I go work out now or should I work out later? Should I drink more water? Should I not? Should I not drink that soda? And I said, should I not, for a reason, because I shouldn't be drinking soda. And so pretty much being on a schedule is gonna help you just be able to navigate your life a little bit more better, have some type of structure. So I think that is super important for you to get started on a schedule and be consistent. Read. Reading something that will expand your knowledge. I have been reading articles online and listening to leadership and mental health podcasts. These 2 areas are where I want to gain more knowledge. Pick a book or a podcast and get started today. Me personally, I love listening to leadership podcasts, and I will be leaving some leadership podcasts in the description below. The next 3 healthy habits to create more self-love is going to be targeting your body. Nurture your body with healthy foods and drink tons of water. Eating well is fundamental to a good health and well-being. Eating healthy foods can help us to maintain a healthy weight and reduce our risk of type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and so on. Drinking tons of water helps us to prevent dehydration. You need to drink adequate amounts of water. There are many different opinions on how much water we should be drinking every day. However, health authorities commonly recommend 8 ounces, which equals to about 2 liters or half a gallon a day. So hey, look, I just want to encourage you to drink a lot of water, okay? And also find out, even if you need to talk to a nutrition or your healthcare provider, I think it's really important to make some life changes by making sure that you're eating healthy, okay? Your body is going to thank you. Go on a walk. I really enjoy the summers in Wisconsin. The nature trails are breathtaking and beautiful. So going on a nature walk is perfect to look at the scenic scenery. Walking also provides significant benefits because it helps to reduce stress, getting more energy, which will improve your positive vibes. Get rest. Turn off notifications or put your phone on Do Not Disturb an hour before bed. This is a great way to make sure you're receiving a good amount of rest and not answering emails, text messages, and so on. Hey, turn off those notifications and put that phone on Do Not Disturb. And you probably saying why? Because I know I said all of these things are very, very important, but you know what's most important is getting adequate rest, okay? And I too, from time to time, struggle with this because I am up late working on YouTube content and I just want to get everything so perfect and just right. But I have to remind myself that my physical body is important and I need to get adequate rest. So I encourage you to just take a moment and just think, if there's any times in your life where you are just being a little sleep deprived, and that might be the area where you need to make some adjustment in your schedule so that you're able to go to bed on time. I promise you, I know you got this. The next 3 healthy habits that we are going to be talking about is going to be targeting your soul. Unplugging for a few hours or a day without tech. Slow your life down. Be present. Be unplugged from technology helps reduce stress. For your brain and body needs time to recover from a days of work or just simply from being on your social media platforms. Okay, now to acceptance. Accept yourself, who you are and where you are in life. Know that you are where you are meant to be in life. You can change, you can learn, you can grow, but first you must accept you for who you are. Hey, there's been a lot of unfortunate situations that has happened to me, and also I too have done to others, and I had to forgive myself. I had to forgive others, and I think that it's so important that you need to forgive, okay? And so the first thing is accepting who you are, right? For whatever wrong that has happened to you or whatever wrong that you have done to others, you have to accept who you are. And then the next step is to forgive, okay? I think that once you forgive, you're gonna feel so much better, okay? And so I encourage you to take a deep look inside of yourself and say, what is that thing that I need to walk in forgiveness? And today is today, okay? To let it go. Write it down, burn it, whatever you need to do, let it go, okay? It is hurting you. Create positive affirmations for yourself. Generally, affirmations are used to reprogram your subconscious mind. They are created to encourage us to believe certain things about ourselves or about the world or our place within it. Also, some people use words of affirmation to help themselves to create a certain reality, often in terms of making or attracting wealth, love, beauty, and happiness. No matter what, I believe speaking positively about your situation or yourself could help you to feel better about any stage of life you're in. So get started today. Listen, I believe in the power of affirmation, okay? I am the type of person that I love words of affirmation. There's something about how it empowers me that when I'm low, when I'm high, I probably shouldn't have said when I'm high, but when I'm feeling low, when I'm feeling high, it does not matter. Words of affirmation are powerful, okay? So I encourage you to get a pen, get a piece of paper, write down some things about you, Google it if you have to. Also, this would be another thing that I will leave in the description below of some things that I love to speak over myself, okay? Words have power, so make sure you're speaking the right words over yourself. Okay, beauties. Like I always say at the, not end of my videos, but almost at the end, I love to encourage, okay? And so I just want to let you know that when you first heal your soul, right? First heal your soul, then your body and your mind will follow, okay? Never forget that. It's all about healing our soul so our mind and body can follow. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Hey, I have a question for you. If you are not following me on social media, that is my Instagram, my Facebook. The links will be in the description. Go and follow me, okay? You will get the latest scoop on my life, what is happening with me day to day. I would love to share some experiences with you, okay, and engage with you on those social media platforms. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. Yes, that like button down below. Thumbs up, okay, if you enjoyed this video. Also, that beautiful red button that we're always talking about in these videos, yes, that subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe. You do not want to miss another video, so don't forget that, that bell. Yes, I am so happy to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.